What is good, fam? As you guys can see, I am outside the grocery store right now because today I'm gonna be asking strangers if they heard about Instacart and why don't they use it, or if they do use it and what they think about it. I mean, because Instacart is slow. A lot of you guys are complaining that it's slow. So I feel like it's my job to figure out why it's slow and try to get more people on the platform and ask if they like the platform and whatever. I got the bike helmet, the elbow pads, the knee pads. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be too intrusive on people. So, you know, it's kind of like a disguise so I hold the camera. It's good to be back. Make sure you hit the like. I'm gonna save the world on this YouTube channel, by the way, so I need you guys' support. Hit the like. Really quick video, real fun video. Haven't been here for a while. Let's see what strangers got to say about Instacart. Let's go inside the store. You ever heard of Instacart?
Yes, I have. I've never used it.
You don't like it? Why don't you use it?
I just never used it.
Why wouldn't you use it? If I,
you know, because I go to the store, it's just me and my wife. And if I load up, stuff will go bad, so I end up going just a couple times a week, and that way.
I feel that.
Plus, I can also shop for the best price.
Yeah, me too. No, I pay straight up, brother.
It is it.
Hey, look, one thing. If you try Instacart, I'll try it. All right.
You give it a shot.
All right, brother. I was seeing you checking out the jelly. I'm a really good shopper. What are you looking for? Maybe I can help you.
Well, here's the thing I'm looking for. I'm looking for jelly with no seeds.
Jelly with seedless jellies.
No seeds.
Seedless jelly. Watch this. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Seedless strawberry jam. This is
strawberry.
This is strawberry jam, though. And
It's
it's
okay.
It,
As long as it's seedless.
yeah, this is seedless right here. Blackberry. We got blackberry. We got strawberry seedless. Which one you like?
I'll take the strawberry.
The strawberry?
Thank you so much.
You ever heard of Instacart?
Yes.
Instacart. Why don't you use it? I'm an Instacart shopper. See, I find everything.
Oh,
you see? That's why I know where everything is. You don't like Instacart?
I don't like it. No, I just don't
You don't use it?
use it.
The thing is, you get good shoppers and bad shoppers. I like to think I'm one of the good ones.
Yes.
But yeah, you should check it out. Can I have your opinion on something? Cause so my girlfriend, she was just talking to me, right? She thinks like the men can't do the grocery shopping, right? So she recommended us to use Instacart, but I was wondering, have you ever heard of Instacart?
Yeah, I use that all the time.
So you do like it?
Yeah.
Oh, right on.
Yeah, it's good. It's really good.
Hey,
Yeah.
thank you. Like you're cool. So all right, I'm gonna do it then.
If I'm like, especially on the weekends,
Uh-huh.
like I could go to the grocery store, or because it's an app, so you just go through and it has the aisles all mapped out, and it'll be either this one or the one in further part of Centerville,
Okay.
local.
Yeah.
And it takes like 20 minutes for them to start shopping. They usually get it really quick. If there's something that's like on your list, like I put these on, but it's not there, they'll either replace it with like the vanilla kind, or they'll just give you the refund.
Yeah.
There is a service fee, and then you tip the driver, obviously.
Okay.
They'll just drop it right to your front door. So
That's
like,
I like
not
that.
lazy.
I like that.
It's convenient. It's
Yeah.
very convenient.
Hey, sir. Have you ever heard? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Have you ever heard of Instacart?
Of what?
Instacart. Basically, it's an app on the phone where you can place an order, and then like somebody, like a shopper, would deliver it, like a delivery groceries.
You have to go to the front office, customer service.
Well, I just wanted to get your opinion before I try.
I was in a position last year where I probably could have used it, but I kind of shied away from it.
If you say it's a bad idea, then I'm not going to use it.
Oh no, I'm not. I would.
Consider it. You think I should look into it?
Yeah. I see people using it all the time, and it works for them. So.
All right, I'm gonna give it a try. Hey, if I give it a try, you give it a try. We both give it a try. How about that?
I have a disability, so I can get around in the store just fine, but if I wanted to go someplace like Wegmans, I couldn't make it.
Okay.
So, in that sense, when I have heavy stuff,
Comes in handy. Oh, that's good to know. Oh, I'm glad it comes in handy for
they're
you.
more expensive though.
Oh, yeah, I bet, right? So, but you have a good day. But can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of Instacart?
Instacart.
Yeah.
I've heard of it, but I don't know anything.
You never use it? I'm asking a few strangers that I don't know to see if they use it, what they think about it.
I've never used it,
Really?
so I don't have. Yeah.
You wouldn't use it? Yeah.
If I had time to figure it out, maybe.
Okay.
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe
See,
I
that's an honest answer. I like that. Thank you. You too. Hey, what's up, brother?
Hey, how you make it out?
Let me ask you a question. You ever use Instacart?
Never.
You know what it is?
I know what it is, yeah.
Why wouldn't you use it?
Because I may want something else. That's why I like coming to the store.
Have you ever heard of the app called Instacart? You use it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, for the most part, I don't have a problem with it.
If somebody I completely don't know says that it's a good thing, then I believe. Yeah.
I don't have a problem with it. I mean, I've had bad experiences even with the ladies sometimes, but it's,
Oh, like bad shoppers?
yeah, but it's not based on gender. It's just sometimes if the person, forgets something or something is
Oh yeah.
But that, it's human error.
That just happens.
Yeah.
But overall, you would say it's a cool app to use. You get good shoppers too.
Yeah, I do.
Awesome.
I do both.
Oh, you are awesome. Thank you. Thank you. My girlfriend's giving me a hard time because she's saying that the men can't do the shopping. I see my man right here doing the shopping just like me. You know.
Hey, been doing this for 47 years.
You ever heard of something called Instacart? By the way,
yes.
You ever use it?
No.
No, you don't like it?
Don't need it. You got me.
Oh, there it is. There it is. So my question to you is, when you grocery shop, do you know what Instacart is?
Yeah.
Would you use Instacart to do your grocery shopping?
I have.
You have?
Yeah, I mean, there are use case scenarios for it. Like if you're busy, you can just Instacart the stuff to your home and then
Convenience.
Exactly. But there is also the extra cost that comes with that. It's a little more expensive to have them delivered.
Okay, so it's one of those things where you just use it if you absolutely in need for it, type thing.
Yeah.
That's what you.
Is that what the get up with the GoPros for?
Well, no, I'm a biker actually.
Oh, so that's just like a safety thing.
Yeah. So like I'm extreme biking, so like that's to like see. You ever see the guys that bike on using I'm hitting the freaking mountains and stuff. Yeah, man. So it's pretty awesome. It's scary though too. The mountains can be steep, brother. They can be steep. You know what I mean? You ever go face flat into the dirt on a bike?
No.
Yeah, I have a few times. That's what the helmet's for.
I crashed into a car with a bike though when I was a kid.
You did a cartwheel with a bike?
No, I crashed into a car.
Oh, crashed into a car with a bike. Well, that beats dirt. I'll tell you that.
Welcome.